on it today. Let's get it. Let's get it. 5:39 in the morning. 5:39 in the morning. Getting hyped up. Getting hyped up. Get up. Wake your up.
I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me and when I'm synonym. So if I ever win again, there's nobody did the minimum. I didn't have to sell my soul.
We about to turn up today. I just swiped a $90 batch. I'm at a different location. I'm actually at my big time haters location. And yeah, I just swiped a $90 batch. And I know they seen it because shoppers are looking at me right now. They over there. Look, there he goes. He's walking in. He's looking at his phone. Then he looked at me. They're like, this dude Tat Vars over here. He got the 90. You're daggone right, I got the 90 with an average rating too. Let's get it. let's get it. All right, team, run it up. Yeah, it was a nice big one. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Team, run it up. Now, this did take me about 45 minutes to finish, but hey, it's a $90 order at 6 a.m. It's all good. We ahead no matter what. Could have took me 3 hours and we're still ahead. But it only took me 45 minutes to shop. And the delivery is 14 minutes away. So this is what you call a banger.
And no one made my goals for me, but I'm exactly where I'm supposed to be, cause it's the path that God chose for me. So even if some doors close for me, I still won't let y'all close to me.
All right, team, run it up. So we just delivered that order. Now, unfortunately, the batch did go down about $7 because I had to refund flowers. There were some expensive flowers. They didn't have them out. That's typically some issues you run into when you start really, really early, is that the inventory, it can be kind of iffy. But $83 and some change at this hour in the morning, hey, that's still a win. Let's get it. That's still a win. And we're back at the store. Let's get it. Before I got here, on the way here, I swiped a 43 double dollar a 43 double batch. So that is that good old turnaround time. And I believe this order only has like 26 items. It's a 9-mile delivery, but that's all right. It's another banger before Costco. So this is gonna put us well over $100 before the drop, and I think we're gonna be able to squeeze another one in before Costco drop. Let's get it.
I bet when I land, they gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting.
All right, fam, what's good? So I'm back at the store, and look, it looks like we finally hit a standstill. I've been sitting here for about 20 minutes and they haven't shown me anything. It is 9:10 a.m. and we are, boom, let's get it. Like, I mean, we still are at 127 before Costco drop. It's fine with me. I can actually chill right now. I can actually do a DoorDash, couple DoorDash orders, but I'm not. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna head back to another store towards my area and go to that Costco because I really like that Costco. I'm mad, man. I missed the 72 at the Costco drop. I missed the 72 and I missed the 61. I went for the 72, got in, but it said batch unavailable. Just wasn't fast enough. Then I got out and went for the 61, batch unavailable. So that was tough. I just took a $36 batch at the drop, which is better than nothing. I just got to do this quick. Just like that, with the quick fast, you know what I'm saying? You know what? I'm not even mad at this batch. I don't think I was in there for even 20 minutes, maybe 20 minutes, if that. And the delivery is only 12 minutes away. So the only problem I have about this batch is that I waited 45 minutes to get it when I should have just took a smaller batch at the other store instead of this Costco drop and missed the 70. Oh well, because we still running it up today. You see it. Let's get it. And we are right back. Just swiped a 40 double, 11 items, I think 6 miles. Should be super easy. This should be easy. So let's just go in here and crush it. Right back at it. That's that TAT right there. It's that turnaround time. Let's get it. I took this order because it was a 40, but one of the customers sent me a message saying they had the wrong address, and so they had to cancel their order because their address was far, right? They had the wrong address. And I was like, all right, whatever, right? So it turned to one order right here, finished in 5 minutes. But still, I don't know how much is gonna go down. We'll find out. Let's get it. Hey, so that actually worked out for me. I still made over $34 and did that batch so fast. Hey, on to the next one. Hey,
At the stops.
Yeah. So we back at it. We was waiting for a little bit. We was waiting for about 20 minutes. Then I swiped this $30 batch. 40 items, so it's a lot of items, but it's only 10 minutes away delivery. Run it up. This one was definitely the worst order of the day. Freaking like 8 refunds, like this. Oh my God, the customer was cool. The customer was cool about it, but just annoying cashier. I get to the cashier, she's putting freaking bread with milk. What type of bread with milk, bro? Like, go to bed. All right, team, run it up. The bounce back. I just swiped a 67. 11 miles, and it's like 44 items, but it's a 67. So yeah, we like that. We're gonna crush that. 67, 11 miles, 44 items, easy. All right, fam, so I just swiped 33, 4 miles, but yo, check this car in front of me. Look at their license plate. Yo, really? Yo, fam, I was done. I was getting gas at Costco, and I was like, you know what? I'm about to go eat some dinner and then go out for the DoorDash run. But you know you're gonna check your phone while you're getting gas, right? And boom, what did I see? 25, 3 items going right to my house. Come on, man. Had to swipe that. So we here at Costco, about to pick up 3 items, $25. Let's get it. Okay, so I gotta admit, this is probably the easiest 25 I've ever done. 2 of these, 1 of these, 1 of those, and that's mine.
They gon' tell me it's luck again. See that I'm winning, it's harder to watch. I'm setting the stage, you should give me my props. You ain't got no soul, you lacking the spirit. You talk out your neck, I'ma show you I'm with it. I would really hate for you to sit and watch me win again and win again and win again. I know it's probably getting on me and win a synonym. So if I ever win again, it's no, I did the minimum. I didn't have to sell my soul.